Tinga from scratch? Hours. Tinga with Easy Bombs? Minutes. Moms, meet your new kitchen shortcut. Combine 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, a sliced onion, 2 cups of water, and 1 Tinga Easy Bomb in a Dutch oven. These clever seasoning bombs are ready to go with ingredients like chipotle peppers, tomatoes, and cumin, so no other prep is needed. Cover and bake, stirring once for 2 hours. Shred the chicken and you're ready to create. You can strain and reserve the cooking liquid if you like to moisten and flavor the chicken in any of these dishes. Quesadillas are a perfect anytime snack or even a light meal. Start by slicing up half a green pepper, half a red pepper, and a whole onion. Sauté in a hot skillet till softened, then transfer to a bowl and set aside. In the same skillet, place a large tortilla. Working with half the tortilla, layer shredded cheddar, some of the shredded chicken, the peppers and onions, and some sliced avocado. Fold the tortilla over and cook both sides till golden brown. Transfer to a cutting board and slice into wedges. Serve the quesadillas with pico de gallo, salsa, and lime wedges. Sheet pan nachos are ready in a flash. The secret to these nachos, a double layer of everything. You'll want to moisten the shredded chicken for this recipe with some of the cooking liquid to add extra flavor and keep it from drying out in the oven. Layer half your tortilla chips on a baking sheet and top with half the shredded chicken, half the black beans, half the sliced jalapeno peppers, and half the shredded cheese. Repeat with another layer of tortilla chips, chicken, beans, jalapeno peppers, and shredded cheese. Place the pan in the oven and broil till golden brown and bubbly. You can serve these mouth-watering nachos straight from the pan or put out bowls for individual portions. Finally, make your own Tinga bowls at home. Start with brown or white rice, then begin layering. To the bowl, add a portion of shredded chicken alongside a combination of black beans and corn. Top with fanned-out avocado slices, then sprinkle with plenty of crumbled cotija cheese. Garnish with cilantro leaves and serve. 1 bomb, 1 batch, 3 mouth-watering meals. Tinga from scratch takes a lot of time, but this Tinga from Easy Bombs gets the job done in minutes. Thanks to Easy Bombs for sponsoring this video.